real people who enter in your life before your success.
Hi Dipali, welcome back.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good evening.
Yeah,
It's almost
we say
4:30.
good evening after 5, is it?
Is it? I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know, that's the reason I'm asking you.
What do you? Let's check. Let's check together. At
Okay.
what time do we say good evening?
I will
Okay.
get disconnect with meeting days
No,
if I.
don't disconnect. I am checking it. So good morning is generally used from 5 a.m. to 12. Good evening is often used after 6 p.m. when the sun goes down.
Hmm.
So late afternoon 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so it's a late afternoon. Early evening is 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So in some places it is saying after 6, in some places it is saying after 7.
Hmm. It's
So it
because of
depends.
like somewhere, sometime, and some places, sunrise late. In Assam, it's late, and in our state, it rise first. That's the reason.
So Dipali, what are you going to speak in this session? I want you to speak something now.
Yeah,
In the
I
last
want.
two sessions we were just discussing your doubts, no?
Yeah, I want to tell you. Yesterday I was swiping YouTube short, so I get to know that there was a small kid, and he
There
was
was a
riding. There was a small kid.
hmm.
He was riding his cycle and suddenly get sleep. His cycle did sleep and he started dancing.
His cycle slipped and he started dancing. Okay.
Yeah,
Was it a funny video?
yeah. Means like if um I what to say, I ride a cycle, and then if I just get sleep, I feel embarrassed because I will feel that someone will judge me or will laugh at me, but that child enjoying that moment. So that was nice. He start to do stunt.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. That's
So
a learning for us, no? We
yes,
should also be like that. We should
but we don't do that.
embrace. We should embrace our embarrassments.
Yes,
What
embarrassment.
we
Yeah.
hmm.
Like there was one topic in Clapingo stations, and there was one tutor. She told that like she shared her experience. After sharing her experience, I feel like okay, it is just like we do not do that intentionally. It just happens, so it just normalize and take it easy. And because we not comfortable in that zone and we don't understand that, and because of that we get embarrassed. So she shared that
Correct.
she gets sleep one time, and she sleep a lot of time.
Oh,
So she do not feel embarrassed, and she shared her experience. So yeah, totally fine. And there was one small kid, and he getting some award in award function. He gets sleep. He started to stunt.
there are many videos. There is a video of a gym also. Do you know? Where a
No.
boy is running on a treadmill. He's running on a treadmill,
Yeah.
and a girl is walking besides him. So
Okay.
he is looking at the girl, and because he's looking at the girl, he loses his balance and he falls. But as soon as he falls, the girl looks at him and he starts doing push-ups. You have not seen that video?
No.
You should watch it.
Yeah.
It's a very funny video. So
Yeah.
he's running and suddenly he falls, and then as soon as the girl looks at him, he behaves like nothing happened and he was just doing push-ups.
Yeah, the boys, I guess, they show some title and just do that like it's happened.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah.
There are many funny videos like that,
Yeah.
which are there on the internet. Do you like
Yeah.
to watch animal videos? Animal videos?
Animal videos, yes. There was one dog. I told you this story before or not, I do not know. There was
Hmm.
one dog and he was orphan, and he was like stay here and there was one person who used to go throughout a train, and he saw that dog get injured, and he take care of that dog. And after he get recovered from his injury, he start to live with that person, and he always cared for that person. And then after some time, that person bought that dog in his house. So he daily used to drop him on train, and also went for like what to say, drop him, and second word is like receive.
Receive.
Yeah,
Receive. Yes.
he used to go to receive him. One day he didn't receive like come from his office because he get heart attack, and that dog was
Oh,
still there, yeah, and waiting for that owner. But how he will come, he was waiting from this world. So
mm,
that was heartwarming. And like last breath, he still stay there for
he
waiting.
stays there
Yeah, he
till
was
his
waiting.
last breath.
Yeah, but animal are very nice. Like they always care of pickings, and they do.
Yes.
Yeah,
Animals are
I
very loyal.
yeah, I I got one quote. I actually like that quote, and I just write down yesterday itself only. Can I share with you if you don't mind?
Of course. Before you share the story, I want one permission from you.
Yeah, sure.
So I am having a cough. So can I have this medicine?
Sure, sure.
Thank you for the
Why are you
permission.
asking
Yes. Now
me?
you can, because I am taking the session with you. No, that's why I asked before I had.
It's not like that. Totally fine. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
like, yeah.
Yes.
How
Please.
beautiful is the heart of those who go through the worst storm in life and still choose to stay gentle and silent,
Oh,
patient, kind, humble, their own twice.
correct.
Yeah, it's mean
It's a
like
very
sometimes.
deep.
Yeah, it
Hmm?
is. Like sometimes we suffer a lot in life. We don't know how to deal with situation and all. Sometimes we lose someone who is very close to us, and it's just like a trauma, so it is difficult to come out from that.
Hmm.
So still that person have patience and keep patience, and do not take step back, do not get lost in that flows, and make own flows and own way, and be strong for on that road. It is difficult. Yeah.
That is very true.
Yeah.
I
So
feel
how
that the
you deal
person
with,
who is, huh? How you deal with?
yeah, how you deal with the heartbroken condition and situation in your life?
Oh, that's a very deep question that you asked. So it is, see, you just have to give yourself time, is what I feel. Time heals everything.
Time
Because
is medicine on pain. It is a cure on
time is
pain.
medicine. It is the cure for pain, not on, for.
Yeah.
Hmm? For pain, not on pain.
Yeah. It is cure on pain.
For pain, my dear, not on
It
pain.
is cure for pain. Yeah.
Hmm. Not on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what happens is when you go through something like that, when there is heartbreak, when someone leaves you, no matter what you do or no matter what someone else does, that pain will be there. You can get away from it by like going outside for a party or doing something that you like, maybe watch a movie, but that pain will always be there. And it is only with time that you start healing. So you have to give yourself time. And one thing that I will advise everyone, that never judge another person because of someone else's deeds. You know, like suppose
Hmm.
if you loved a boy a lot, okay,
Hmm.
you gave everything to that boy, and that boy betrayed you. Okay, so don't make a perception that all boys are like that, or that I am like this only. This only is going to happen in my life. You should always give chance. You should always give a chance to other people. You know.
Like nowadays, people are not trustworthy. Even if you
Uh,
have feelings for somebody else, they don't care. They don't care of your time. They don't care of you, but you care for
mm,
them. So it is only you, and you are means you need to understand that, like, let them go.
correct.
That's it.
Correct. That is the best policy. You should not try to control them. You should just let go. And if they actually value you, they will come back. If they don't, then that means they never value you.
Like people come in our life because of success. And
A lot of reasons.
what I learned in my past experiences and till now, like who is your real friend or real people who enter in your life before your success, and they want you, not your success. That are the real people. They are not with you because of your success. They are with you because of you, the real you.
Because of who you are. Who you are.
Because
Correct.
the way you are, they are always ready to accept the way you are. So
Correct.
yes.
Correct. There are
And
very few people. I have a lot of. Thankfully, I am blessed to have people like that in my life. Very few,
yes,
but
I also
there
have.
are. Yeah, that is very. You should keep them very close to your heart.
Yes,
I have a
you
few
know what
friends,
I believe.
but I also have had many friends who have just used me, as you mentioned, for some or the other reason,
Hmm.
financially, or maybe for any reason.
Don't you think
So I
that
have seen.
yeah, don't you think that this is the main reason that introvert extrovert to introvert? Don't you think that?
Yeah, it is one of the major reasons. It's one of the major reasons. So yeah, people are becoming introvert because of extrovert. And
Hmm.
see, I would say is that there is good outside. It's just that you should be in a position where you should not give the other person control of your emotions. So even if
Remote
someone
control.
says, exactly. Even if someone says, that you mean a lot to me, you are the best person in my life, and I will never leave you. You should not completely surrender to that. You should say okay, and don't be rude to them. Also, be nice to them, but you should be in a position where their existence should not matter to your life, whether they are
Sometimes
there or whether.
only, yeah, sometimes they only want to come in your life because they might think that you are successful in your life. That's the reason they always
See,
see.
different people have different things. Some might come to you because of your success. Some might come because you have something else. Maybe you
Yeah,
have a lot of time to give them. So
yeah,
different ones. Mm.
yeah. For that, sometimes it become very difficult to understand life, this world. And
You will
yeah,
understand, don't worry.
it is not easy to understand life. Life is a wide concept, just like
You will
world.
understand with time. With the time, you will understand. You will understand who to trust, who
Long
not
way
to
to
trust.
go. Yeah,
It is a long way, and see, this is the best thing about life. Experiences. What experience will teach you, nothing else will teach you.
And how you control your emotions if you lose someone who actually is close to you, like friends.
I,
And
huh.
have you ever get scared to lose friends, like only those friends who means to you? And
I
if
get it.
something happen, and so how you deal with this situation?
uh, Thankfully, up till now, I've never faced that situation. But even if I face it, I think it's okay. You know, life has better plans for you. You just have to believe that something better is there
So
for
are
you.
you always ready, or do you always
I'm not
get
ready.